Should we buy Baidu stock right now? They have recently announced their earnings and their stock price didn't really move, staying at $108. Ticker symbol BIDU has a market cap of $38 billion and a revenue of $138 billion. Now, at first glance, it looks like it's extremely undervalued, but do take note that the market cap is in USD while the revenue is in CNY, renminbi. Net income is $16 billion, also in CNY, and free cash flow $25 billion. So we need to adjust this to USD, and their earnings per share EPS is $46. This is in USD. So if you look at the price versus the EPS, the P ratio is 17.19, which is pretty decent for tech stock. However, to take note, the price didn't move because of their Q1 reports. PB ratio 1.11, again low valuation, gross margin 51%. Now in Q1, their revenue reported is $4.37 billion, and there's only a 1% year-on-year growth. We can see that Baidu is reaching a plateau in terms of their revenue growth. However, they do exceed earnings analysts' estimate. Instead of 2.3 for EPS, they make a 2.76. This is because their ability to control costs, but their revenue again has hit a plateau. So like Google that has potential continuous growth, Baidu in China seems to remain stagnant. However, they are driving their growth through AI and cloud expansion. So this gives it a potential upside. And this is supported by $26 billion in cash, which allows them to continuously do R&D and also expansion in their products offering. Now let's look at valuation and strategy on how to possibly invest in Baidu if you want to. So right now, a quick summary is mild bullish. It's very slow growth, about 1% or maybe up to even 3 to 4%, but don't expect to grow by 20% per year. It has, however, low valuation, which allows us to potentially take advantage of it. The low valuation has two possible reasons. One is because of the slow growth, the other one because of the political tension between US and China, making US investors not so keen to invest into China stocks. And because of the tension, there's a relatively decent volatility, which is reflected in their IV%. And right now, if you look at the stock chart, it's a ranging stock. So one possible strategy for Baidu, instead of just buying and holding, because it's not going to grow that much, is an income strategy using options selling of iron condo. This requires us to sell a put spread and a call spread, taking advantage of the volatility, at the same time a ranging stock that doesn't move. Disclaimer, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. And to learn more about options income like this, do follow our channel, join our Telegram group for exclusive Zoom sessions where we talk about all these strategies.